Welcome back everybody. So today we're going to show you how to make easy Mexican red salsa. So we're going to go ahead and use 15 serrano peppers. You guys can definitely use a lot less, but we like our salsa extra spicy. We got 4 tomatoes, we got 1/4 of an onion, and 2 garlic cloves. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put some water in a small pot. We here just added a little bit less than half, not a lot. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start adding our onion, our tomatoes, our garlic cloves, and then our serrano peppers. We're going to go ahead and put the lid on it, and we're going to let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on a medium to high heat. Alright guys, so it's been about 10 to 15 minutes that our peppers and our tomatoes have been cooking. We're going to go ahead and check to see if they're cooked through, and they definitely were. So we're going to go ahead and turn off the heat and put the top on the side and let them rest for a bit. Alright, so it's only been like maybe 2 minutes or so. We're going to go ahead and add a tablespoon and a half of salt. And we're going to add all the serrano peppers, the tomatoes, the onion, and the garlic to our blender. So we're going to go ahead and add 2 cups of that same water that we used to boil our tomatoes and peppers and onion and garlic cloves in. And we're going to go ahead and just put the top on and go ahead and blend away. Alright, so we're going to pour our salsa into a glass container, and this is actually a good time to do a taste to see if it needs more salt or not. Ours actually ended up pretty good and very spicy, so if you guys do not want your salsa extremely spicy, please add less serrano peppers and more tomatoes. And that's it guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet done so. We'll be back very soon. Thank you.